Hi everyone, I'm She. This is Secrets of a Squid. Welcome to my channel. Whoop whoop. Today we are going to look at using foil inserts in resin. It's just a quick video to show you how they're done. Okay, we're going to be making this little thing here. And the foils that I've used are actually from my supply store, Indigo Creek. They're really simple to make if you do want to do it at home. If not, there are plenty of people that sell them. But yeah, I just like this because it's like girl power and all that. Don't know if you can read it. But anyway, onto the video. I'll show you how you use them. Okay, choose the mould that you want to use. I've chosen a tray mould, so I'm going to start by filling the edges up of that tray with a glittery resin mix. If you're using a flat mould, then leave this part out and just go into the next step, which is creating a thin layer of resin over the surface. I'm going to use the resin that's already in there, like from the edges, and I'm going to pull that across because I want those little specks of glitter to be used and utilised rather than trying to recreate that from scratch. I've already got glitter in the side, so I might as well just use that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull it across. What you want to do is create a thin layer of resin that's just enough that your insert will sit nicely in it. There we go. Now that surface is all covered with a thin layer. And go ahead and grab my insert. Make sure you cut around it. All you want is what's on there, and place it face down into your mould. Push out any air bubbles that there might be. And we're going to now leave this to dry. When it's dry, you're going to add your back colour layer. You could do it with alcohol inks or whatever you want to do. I've chosen just a plain black to really bring out the purple of the foil. Once that's in, you're obviously going to leave it to dry. Demoulding time. This is an old mould of mine, so it does make the pieces a little bit dull. So to combat that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another thin layer of resin over the top just to make it shiny. You can see the foil sitting in there nicely. Welcome back. So simple, right? Just put it in there and that's about it. So make it happen, girl. Shock everyone. Look at that. See? Yeah. Again, any questions, comments, leave them below the video and I'll get back to you when I can. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.